In this guide, I'm going to show you how to set a Google Play spending budget on Android. Intro. Begin by opening up the Google Play Store, and you need to tap your profile picture up in the top right corner. Let me hit got it on this real quick. From here, what you need to do is select payments and subscriptions, and then select budget history. And then in this section, you're going to see this option right here that says set budget. Go ahead and select it, and what you need to do is enter in the maximum amount that you want to spend each month, and then just tap save. So let's say the max we want to spend, for example, is $100. Simply type in 100, hit save right here, and after you do that, you're going to see your budget just like so. It's not going to track all of your current spending, and then of course it'll warn you when you get close, or it'll stop you before you exceed that amount. Just keep in mind, it will not block additional purchases, it just gives you alerts overall. To change this or remove it, you could always just go back to the section, open up budget history, and then edit the budget from here, or just remove it. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.